What's going on, guys? It's Toto here with your first Pixlr Twitch emote tutorial, and we're going to get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your web browser and go to pixlr.com, pixlr.com. We're going to do a simple word emote today. As you can see, I've already created some. So right off the bat, create new. We're going to do 1000 by 1000. Create. When you're finished editing, you will be able to rename your project, so don't worry about it for right now. So first and foremost, you're going to want to zoom out just a little bit so you can kind of get a better handle of the situation. Go ahead and press that text icon on the left, and we'll just create a box. I already have some preloaded text in here from some past emotes that I've made for me and some other people, but you can go to defont.com and get whatever your heart desires, really. They have so many amazing fonts, and the link will be in the description for that. So for this one, we'll just do this basic, actually. We'll do the Kingdom Hearts font, just so I can show you a couple different things with that. I'm just going to make it white right off the bat so it looks better. You're going to go ahead and squish this down. This is why you need to zoom out. Just go ahead and squish it so it's about the same size as your box. And then what you're going to want to do is you can come up here to the top left, press edit, make it say whatever you want. For this, we'll say tutorial. And click away. So at this point, you're going to want to stretch it as big as you can. Now, this font actually doesn't look good, so we're going to go ahead and change that. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and squish that out. So if this ever happens, just make the text box bigger because it's just hiding. So we're going to go ahead and make this the size of the box. And if you notice that your letters are too squished together, one of the things that is really quick and easy to do is you come up here to your text, come up back up to format, and then you can increase the letter spacing, which is something that I found helps a lot if you tend to style it, which we will go into shortly. So there's our word, and we'll just go into styles right now. So while you're on your text box, if you come up to the top right, there is styles. And here is where you can do just a couple quick cool things just to make your text pop. So we can make it outline. We can increase the size of the outline, make the outline black because that always looks classy. And then if you wanted to, you could even do a distance thing. I don't really get too much into that, but it's to each their own, of course. The shadow helps somewhat with some text, but a lot of the time I don't really use it because you can see it on Twitch, and sometimes it doesn't look as good as you may think. So again, just play with it, teach their own, whatever you think looks good. And then of course, and since this is a square text box, it will go into Twitch, no problem. And that is basically going to be the emote. In which all you basically have to do after this, click File, Export, PNG, and then you can go ahead and just upload it right to Twitch, and you're good to go. This has been a very quick Pixlr Twitch emote text tutorial. I'm Toto. Have a good one, guys. And I'll be back with more down the road. Much love.